These are the front seat covers for the Triumph TR5/TR250. These have been made leather faced in biscuit with dark blue piping on the outer edge only. It's a special request for a Dutch customer of ours. So leather faced, to explain, this is the front seat cushion. These side panels here are leather, as is the pleated panel, but then this retainer at the back here and the surround around here is vinyl. And then on the backrest you have the pleated panel again, is all leather. This horseshoe going around here is leather, but then the retainer at the bottom here, along with the backrest border around there, as well as the backrest back and the backrest retainer, all in vinyl. To explain the difference between inside and outside piping, we consider anything out just inside this horseshoe area here around the pleated panel as inside. Same again, anything next to the pleated panel as inside. Then the outer piping is literally the circumference piping here for the cushion, and on the backrest it's actually 2 rows of piping, as you can see here and here, which follow it all the way around. The details of this seat, fairly unique seat because of the seat foam. You get some wires that go on the inside of the frame that cover there, so basically the seat foam doesn't cover that area, which it normally does. So on these we actually sew in a 1-inch horseshoe all the way around here, which is very tricky, and it's worth noting that a couple of manufacturers out there do not do that, which makes life very hard at your end, but we do. So you get genuine tuck and roll pleats here. You get the foam, as we just said here, as well as the backing foam. This area here is also foam to get a nice neat finish on it. You'll see just inside here labelled up as well. They're very subtly handed, the backrest things on here, all to do with the way the hood frame folds back and around. So that's the backrest. You obviously get a pair of those. The cushion, fairly straightforward in the grand scheme of things. You have the pleated panel, again genuine tuck and roll pleats. You have the side panels here on 6mm foam. Now if I get the other hand here, I've turned this one inside out just to show you. So we put scrim round here, which is used for attaching to the seat foam. Turn it over, you also get side scrims here, which again used to cut to the seat foam, and then you get a rather unique scrim setup here, which actually gets pleated fully in to the seat. Again, that is for basically tucking and pulling it down. If you look on a lot of TR5 and TR250 front seats, you'll see just about here it gets pulled down in and almost dips down and then up again. That is all from this area here. So we pleat that in as standard. As ever, always look for the labels.